Okay, so this question is on page 125, question 15. Basically, it's asking you to divide the total prize money of 600,000 between these three friends. Now, one person contributed $3, the other 7, and the last person $10. Now, because they contributed different amounts, we can't just split the prize money evenly. We can't just divide it by 3. That won't be fair because some people actually contributed more money than the others. So we need to work out the exact amount each person should get. So we know to add up all the parts. Before we do that, we can rewrite this question as a ratio, and that would simply be as follows. Okay, so the next step is to add up all the parts. So 3 plus 7 plus 10 is 20. So now if we want to find out how much prize money the person that gave $3, all we need to do now is take this section out, this part, and put it over the total amount, which is 20. So we take the individual part and then we put it over the total parts, which in this case is 20. So this fraction represents the portion that one person gave. Now, it's asking us to find out what amount this person should get from the 600,000. In order to do that, all we need to do is multiply this fraction by this amount. So if we do that and we get our calculator out, the answer would be 3. So all we have to do is punch in 3 divided by 20 and then times that by 600,000. And the answer we get is 90,000. So the person that contributed $3 will receive a prize money of 90,000. So the rest should be clear. So the next step is we go to the second part of the ratio, which is the number 7, and we put that over the total number of parts, which is 20. And we do the same thing. We multiply the total prize money. And again, if we use the calculator, 7 divided by 20 multiply by 600,000, we get 210,000. So the person that contributed $7 will receive 210,000. And then we go to the next part of the ratio, which is 10. So we do 10 over 20, which is 0.5. We times that by 600,000. And if you need to use a calculator, that's okay, but you should know that 10 over 20 is half, or the equivalent of 1/2 in decimals is 0.5. So if you multiply 600,000 by 0.5, you'll get 300,000. Basically, you're just halving the total prize money. So you can see that the person that contributed $10 ends up getting 300,000. So that's quite a difference there. So you can see that these would be the fair amounts to distribute for this prize money.